Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem your code on Warpath Ace Shooter. Redeeming codes can give you rewards like resources, units, and more, so let's dive into the video. First of all, go ahead and open up a web browser on your device and in the URL box type in Warpath redeem code. And you will then end up in this search result where you'll need to click on this link over here. You'll end up in the login page for your Warpath. You'll then need to go ahead and enter your user ID and verify your user ID by entering the verification code that will be sent to you on your Warpath game. After you log in, you will end up in this page. Now in the enter gift code section, type down the gift code that you have. Carefully enter the code into the text box, make sure there are no extra spaces and the code is entered exactly as it appears. And once you do that, click on the redeem button. If the code is valid, you'll get a confirmation message and your rewards will be added to your account. And that's it. You will be able to successfully redeem a code in Warpath Ace Shooter. Be sure to keep an eye on new codes for even more awesome rewards. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more gaming tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.